Hello, if you're wondering if there is a way to check your Discord account password, then the answer is no. Even if you go to user settings and then you go to my account section, then there is no way to check your password. The only thing you can do is change your password, and if you click over here, then still you need to type your current password and then the new one. So if for some reason you are logged in on your Discord account and you forgot your password and you are afraid that once you will be logged out you will not be able to join back into your account or log in, then you still have an option to click that you have forgot your password. So let me show you how it looks like. So while logging in, you'll probably see this window over here where you have to provide your login credentials. However, you can click on forgot your password over here. But of course, before that, you need to fill in your email or phone number. So first you have to enter your email or phone number, and then you can press forgot your password, and after that you will receive a way on your email. You will receive from Discord a way to recover your account by changing or actually setting a new password. So you will not get your old password back. There is no way to check your current password. However, you can set a new one by doing one of these things. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.